Looking for a fast and reliable printer for home or office? In this video, we're highlighting the top 5 horsepower LaserJet printers on Amazon built for speed, sharp quality, and long-lasting performance. Stick around to find the one that fits your needs and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart tech picks. At number 1 we have HP Color LaserJet Pro 3201DW printer. From America's most trusted printer brand, this printer is ideal for small teams needing professional quality color documents and reports with print speeds up to 26 parts per million in both black and color. It delivers professional productivity with next-generation TerraJet toner, producing more vivid and vibrant colors for every project. With upgraded features like fast color printing, automatic two-sided printing, and a 250-sheet input tray, it handles business needs efficiently. Built with award-winning reliability, it ensures consistent performance page after page while meeting high work demands. The dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset keeps you connected, automatically detecting and resolving connectivity issues. HP's advanced technology ensures long-lasting print quality for both professional and personal use. Note that this printer only works with original HP cartridges, with firmware updates maintaining compatibility and security. At number 2 we have HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 301FDW laser printer. ROM America's most trusted printer brand, perfect for small teams printing, scanning and copying professional quality color documents and reports plus fax. Print speeds up to 26 parts per million black/color. Professional productivity, proficiency with every print, next-generation TerraJet toner brings your business to life with more vivid colors. Upgraded features, fast color printing, scan, copy, fax, auto two-sided printing, two-sided single-pass scanning, auto document feeder, and a 250-sheet input tray. Award-winning reliability, performance you can count on page after page, and always ready for the high demands of business. Wireless printing, stay connected with dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset, which automatically detects and resolves connection issues. This printer is intended to work only with cartridges with HP chips or circuitry and will block cartridges using non-HP chips or circuitry. Periodic firmware updates will maintain the effectiveness of these measures. At number 3 we have HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4301FDW laser printer. Everything small teams need: print, scan and copy professional quality color documents and reports plus fax. Auto two-sided printing and auto document feeder for fast scan/copy. Perfect for up to 10 people. Blazing fast color, up to 35 color pages per minute, with sharp details and incredible color. Stays connected, intelligent Wi-Fi looks for the best connection to stay online and ready to print. Protects your data, includes HP Wolf Pro security with customizable settings so your printer and information are always secure. Print from any device, wireless printing from any mobile device, PC or tablet. Ethernet and Bluetooth included. Works with Microsoft, Mac, AirPrint, Android, Chromebook and more. This printer is intended to work only with cartridges with original HP chips or circuitry and will block cartridges using non-HP chips or circuitry. Periodic firmware updates will maintain the effectiveness of these measures. At number 4 we have HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301SDW laser printer. From America's most trusted printer brand, this all-in-one printer is perfect for small teams needing to print, scan, and copy professional quality color documents and reports, with fast speeds up to 26 parts per million in both black and color. Designed for professional productivity, it uses next-generation TerraJet toner, delivering vivid, high-quality prints that bring your business materials to life. For optimal performance, it supports original HP 218A standard and 218X high-yield LaserJet toner cartridges, ensuring consistent results. Its upgraded features include fast color printing, scanning, copying, automatic two-sided printing, an auto document feeder, and a 250-sheet input tray for greater efficiency. Built with award-winning reliability, it guarantees dependable performance page after page while meeting heavy workloads. With streamlined functions, it supports smooth office operations with minimal interruptions. At number 5 we have HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101FDW laser printer. From America's most trusted printer brand, this all-in-one black and white laser printer is designed for small teams of up to 10 users, delivering professional quality printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. It offers blazing fast print speeds of up to 42 pages per minute single-sided, while auto two-sided printing and an automatic document feeder make everyday tasks faster and more efficient. With intelligent Wi-Fi that automatically finds the best connection, the printer stays online and ready to work whenever you are. Security is a top priority with HP Wolf Pro Security, which provides customizable settings to keep your data and printer protected. Built for reliability and consistent performance, this printer is compatible only with original HP cartridges, with periodic firmware updates maintaining the highest level of security and functionality.